What's up guys? Welcome back to AiZen Tools.
Today, we are exploring the subscription manager app, Subpilot, break down its features, and see if it's worth your attention.
Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share in the comments which AI you want me to review after this one.
Most people do not realize how much money subscriptions are quietly eating until they finally see everything in one place. It is never just Netflix or one app you forgot about. It is the free trial that turned into a paid plan, the yearly renewal you did not notice, the service you stopped using months ago but kept paying for anyway. And that is why today I am testing Subpilot, because this app is built around a very specific promise, not just helping you see your subscriptions, but actually helping you manage them and even cancel them for you. What stood out to me first is that Subpilot is not trying to be a giant, complicated finance dashboard. The experience is much more focused. The idea is simple. Connect your bank account or your email, let the app detect recurring payments and subscription activity, and then turn that messy, invisible spending into something you can actually act on. That is a strong angle because for most people, the problem is not that they never heard of subscriptions. The problem is that everything is scattered, easy to ignore, and annoying to fix one by one. The dashboard is the central hub of Subpilot, designed to provide a clear and immediate overview of your subscription landscape. From the moment you enter, key insights are presented with precision. Your active subscriptions, total recurring expenses, and upcoming charges are all structured in a way that supports quick, informed decision-making. Integrated notifications play a critical role here, delivering timely alerts for upcoming payments, pricing changes, or unusual activity. Rather than overwhelming you, the dashboard prioritizes relevance, ensuring that every piece of information contributes to a stronger sense of financial awareness and control. Then comes the subscription agenda that extends this clarity by organizing your subscriptions across time. The upcoming view allows you to anticipate future charges with confidence, displaying what's due and when in a streamlined, easy-to-navigate format. This forward-looking perspective helps eliminate surprises and supports better budgeting. Complementing this is the subscription history, which offers a detailed record of past transactions. Building on this experience, the bank linking feature is a core pillar of Subpilot, enabling a more connected and efficient way to manage subscriptions. It allows users to securely link their bank accounts in seconds, after which Subpilot automatically detects and organizes subscription transactions. This automation enhances accuracy, eliminates manual effort, and turns financial data into clear, actionable insights, all while ensuring strong data protection and a continuously updated overview. The real test is what happens next, and that is the cancellation flow. Instead of making you log back into every service, search for account settings, fight through help pages, or message support yourself, Subpilot gives you a direct action inside the app. You pick a subscription and tap Cancel for me. That is the main promise here. You are not just tracking subscriptions, you are asking the app to handle the cancellation process on your behalf. I also like that this does not feel limited to cancellation only. If a recent charge is detected, there can also be refund-related guidance or assistance, which makes the value proposition stronger. It is not just about stopping the next payment. It is also about helping recover value when possible. So my overall takeaway is that Subpilot works best when you look at it as an automation tool for subscription cleanup. The value is not only in showing you where your money goes. Plenty of apps can show you charts. The real value here is that once Subpilot finds the subscriptions, it gives you a direct path to act on them. And in some cases, it can even handle the cancellation work for you. That is a much stronger user story for a review video because it creates a before and after. Before, your recurring payments are scattered and easy to ignore. After, they are visible, manageable, and in some cases already cancelled. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.